Installing a Delta Touch2O kitchen faucet is easier than you think when it's done the right way. From mounting and water connections to electronics, flushing, and final testing, this guide walks you through the entire process. No electrician required. This faucet runs on batteries. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparation. Gather your tools. Phillips screwdriver, long shank recommended. 2 adjustable wrenches. Bucket, towel, flashlight, safety glasses. Check your sink configuration. Single-hole sink, escutcheon not required. 3-hole sink. Install the escutcheon to cover the outer holes. Before you begin, verify all faucet components are present. Shut off both hot and cold water supplies. Put on safety glasses. Step 2. Mount the faucet. Feed the spout shank, cable, and supply lines down through the mounting hole. Be careful not to damage the identification tag attached to the faucet. Align the faucet so the handle is parallel to the sink edge and the LED indicator faces forward under the sink. Install the mounting bracket with the gasket side up, making sure the top and bottom orientation is correct. Ensure the supply lines and cables sit fully inside the bracket cutout. Thread the mounting nut by hand until snug, then tighten it using the included wrench. Check the faucet alignment from above and confirm nothing is pinched. Secure the bracket with a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten evenly. Do not over-tighten to avoid damage. Step 3. Water connections. Install the check valves. Insert a ferrule into each hot and cold supply stub out. Thread a check valve onto each stub out. Hold the stub out with one wrench and tighten the check valve one full turn only. Connect the supply lines. Match the color coding, red for hot, blue for cold. Hand tighten the supply line nuts onto the check valves. Use 2 wrenches and tighten one full turn. Avoid sharp bends in the lines. If needed, form a gentle loop with a minimum diameter of 8 inches. Step 4. Flushing and electronics. Flush the water lines. Turn the faucet handle to the on position and full mix flow. Place the outlet tube into a bucket. Slowly turn on the hot and cold supply stops. Flush for 30 seconds. Shut off the supplies and remove the bucket. Install the solenoid and hose. Attach the solenoid to the outlet tube with the blue clip facing up. Push until fully seated and lock the clip. Connect the spout hose to the bottom of the solenoid. Install the hose weight. Position it according to the instructions. Make sure the hose moves freely without interference. Wiring and battery pack. Secure the sensor wire at the mid-shank using the C-clip. Connect the LED cable to the solenoid. Install batteries. Use C batteries for longer life, or AA batteries with the included adapter. Place the battery pack on the cabinet floor, at least 2 inches from walls and away from metal surfaces or power sources. Ensure wires are not kinked, wrapped, or pinched. Step 5. Testing and final check. Turn the water supplies back on and carefully check for leaks. At the top and bottom of the check valves. At all solenoid connections. At the hose and wand connection. Test faucet operation. Handle on and off. Touch activation on both the handle and spout. Smooth operation without unexpected shutoff. Confirm the LED indicator and Touch2O functions are working properly. Installation is now complete. For troubleshooting or additional support, contact Delta Faucet customer service or refer to the printed instructions included with your faucet.